Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
This is the last sum in this chapter, dissolution of the firm. Okay, sum number 12. Shashwat and Shiv are equal partners. Their balance sheet stood as under. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Shashwat's capital 6,000, creditors 39,000. Asset side, plant and machinery 14,750, machinery 4,000, debtors 5,000, stock 6,250, cash at bank 3,000, Shiva's capital 12,000. Total of balance sheet is 45,000. Due to weak financial position, all partners became in bankrupt. The assets were realized as under. Stock 3,500, furniture 2,000, debtors 5,000 and machinery 7,000. The cost of collection and distributing the estate amounted to rupees 1,500. Shashwat's private estate is not sufficient to pay off his private debts, whereas in Shiva's private estate there is a surplus of 500. Prepare necessary ledger accounts to close the books of the firm. Now here also, due to weak financial position, all the partners became bankrupt. Okay, all the partners became insolvent. Now we are going to prepare a realization account. Only one liability is mentioned in your balance sheet, creditors, that we have prepared account, then partners capital account and cash account, and the last deficiency account. On the capital account we are going to write to balance brought down Shashwat 6,000, to balance brought down Shiv 12,000. Okay, then cash to balance brought down 3,000. Then creditors by balance brought down 39,000. We have written all the balances of partners capital account, cash account and creditors. Now we will transfer the assets to realization. Realization account debit to sundry assets, plant and machinery 14,750, furniture 4,000, debtors 5,000, stock 6,250. Total is 30,000. Now they have paid in cash the realization expenses amounting to 1,500. So to cash 1,500 in the cash account, credit side by realization expenses 1,500. See on this side, so we have taken it on the cash account, credit side. Is it clear? Now assets were realized, so cash has come in the firm. So by cash, stock 3,500, furniture 2,000, debtors 5,000 and machinery 7,000. If you total up this comes to 17,500. Okay. Now you'll close the realization account. On the credit side, 31,500 minus 17,500. The amount remaining will be realization loss. Okay, realization loss. So by Shashwat's capital account 7,000, Shiv's capital account 7,000. Why? Because they are equal partners. That is why it is divided equally. Immediately we are going to transfer this realization loss to their capital accounts. So realization loss 7,000, 7,000. Is it clear? Now see, she has brought rupees 500 as cash. Okay, Shiv has brought 500 as cash. Only 500 could be recovered from him. So to Shiv's capital account 500. If you total up, this comes to 21,000 minus how much? realization expenses 1500. This will be the remaining amount will be paid to creditors. Only one liability is there, so 19,500. Here the cash account closes. Okay, how much is available, that much we are going to pay to the creditors. So here the cash account closes and creditors account to cash account 19,500. Is it understood? To cash account 19,500. Now balance is 39,000. We have paid cash only 19,500. So what is this? This is deficiency. The left amount is deficiency 19,500. We will close this account also. We will close this account. On the deficiency account, we'll write on the credit side by creditors what? 19,500. Okay, 19,500. See, now on the now we are going to close the partners capital account. Here comes 19,000. Only 500 is available. That means how much will go in deficiency account? 18,500. So here to Shiva's account 18,500. Is it clear? By deficiency, now Shashwat's here account is 7,000, here 6,000. That means 1,000 is deficiency. So on the deficiency account to Shashwat's account, how much? 1,000. Now 18,500 plus 1,000, 19,500, and here also creditors 19,500. Here the creditors accounts are closed, cash account is closed. Now capital accounts are closed as well as creditors account is closed. I hope this you have understood well.